Hi there, welcome back. Thriftyshells here to do a Dollar Tree shop with me. I seen that they had these new Sophie little hair clips. They got the red rose and the white rose here. Then they got the pink and the light pink. They got these little rose clips here. Now they've had some of these before, but they just, I don't know, they kind of like restocked some of these, and some of these I haven't seen. So they have this one down there. Got some headbands. They got some clips. This one's really pretty. Well, I do have these new hair clips. These are pretty. They're from Dollar Tree. Yeah, but they are really pretty. They're like gold and shiny. I have the star one. This one's cute too. And then they have some goodie hair clips as their name brand. I've really seen this more popular brand like in the 90s more. But this brand isn't that popular here. I don't know, not that I've seen it. And they have still a whole bunch of headbands over here. And they have the 2-packs of these ones. Is that a 2-pack? Yeah, it's a 2-pack. And here's a bunch of the brushes. I looked over here in the medicine area. Haven't been over here in a while. This one looks new. Derma Plus Hemorrhoid Cream. And then they have these. Derma Gel Bandages. You get 4 in there. Of course, they have the hot and cold packs. They restocked some more of these Red Cross ones. This is the Pain Relief Balm by Coralite. They have this Mucus Relief. Compared to Mucinex, you get 20 tablets in there. And they did a restock of the Glow Up Serums. And also the bath gloves. And these tinted balms. And these are new, these Surefresh containers. You get 3 in here for $1.25. And then they have these ones. Gray, green, and red. They have these ones down here, kind of a rectangle square. And they have these bowls. Big old bowls, gray, red, and green. Here's the whole display. And they have these sandwich containers. These things are big. Just says sandwich container with lid. New dog toy. This one is Elvis. That's cute. My dog wouldn't play with it, but it's got a squeaky toy. And it's by Paris. Yeah, and I got the Elvis one. And they got the pink Floyd for the pig. That's cute. Those are cute little dog toys. Then they restocked a whole bunch of dog stuff over here. They only have one of these left. Like I said, these are popular. The Spot. And they have still the Nubbies and the Dole. All the Butcher Bar. They have these ones as well. Chicken jerky tenders. And they restocked a bunch of the cat stuff as well. Freshed up. That one I do like. A lot of the cat foods. They got the cat toys out here that they restocked. I see more Fender dog toys, and then they have the pink Floyd. That's cute. A little tape cassette. Oh, and I got the little mini one for the small dogs. Looks like they have a new strawberry-filled muffin bites. By the Muffin King, get 8 in here. It says try me hot. I don't think I'm gonna get any. And they brought back the little mini muffins. They still have these. They stocked more of these Goulion cookies. Let me know down below if you've tried those. And they even brought back the Buduka cakes. This one's, I mean, the chocolate chip scene is pretty popular, but the classics don't seem that popular. Now I found this seashell plate, but this isn't the new one. I think this is the older one because this one here is the new design. So this must be an old design. I did find a bunch of them over here, but not like the whole set. I did find this new set though. There's the bowl down there. These plates are like scalloped though along the edges, in case you didn't know. These look like new sponges. They're called BioCell. It says cellulose sponge non-scratch. Super absorbent. You get 2 in here. USD certified bio-based product. It's by Corterazi. I don't know. Then they have this quick razors by Scrub Buddies. I haven't seen that. I don't know, like the magic eraser stuff though. I don't feel like I don't know. I don't like them at all. Maybe some people do. I'm seeing more of these in stock. I don't like these because they didn't really work. Let me know down below if you think they worked for you. Yeah, they didn't work for me. They restocked this clay set stuff. I don't remember what it was called. The Crack Collective jewelry thing. They restocked it. This is the first time I'm seeing it stocked. So if you didn't get it the first time, maybe you can get it around the second time here. All these cute little stickers. They're so cute. If you didn't see my haul, I hauled some of these candles. They smell really great. I don't know how big the throw is, so it's not, I mean, probably smells good around the small areas. But yeah, this cupcake one smells amazing, by the way. But yeah, I'll link that video at the top, up in the eye in the sky. If you haven't checked it out, I haven't seen any others since yet. In the candle section over here, they still have a lot of the bottle of Joie ones. I love those ones too. Looks like they have a couple more of these cozy ones. Only 2 left. Those are great. They have quite a bit of the wax ones though. In Crafter Square, they have this new little sewing section, which they haven't had some sewing stuff in a while. They got the safety pins, sewing thread. They got bobbins, different colors. They have a needle repair kit, a measuring tape, needle threader, Broxner. These are nice. I like these. They got some hand needles. You get 70 in there. That's a nice deal. Then you got the pearl head pins. Those are so cute. Then they have the tailor's chalk. Seam ripper, which is very, very handy. You need this to sew, definitely. Thread snips. And they have the soft grip scissors. Of course, they have the white and the black. Sewing machine needles, retractable tape, braided elastic, woven elastics. So yeah, that's the whole set. Of course, they have these cute little bottles over here. They're always pretty in class. Still have the vinyl paper for $1. They have a lot in the store. They got permanent writable white stickers. They have this Ardell dual lash applicator by Ardell. And then they have all these new eyelashes by Ardell. Look at the wispies. Wispies look cute. I don't really do eyelashes, but they're cute. Thought I'd show you. They have these new Ladybird fashion ones. They just restocked some. Never seen the lemon ones, and they got this blue flower one. And they have this one. It's kind of black and brown. And they have this one. It's kind of like a taupe color. You get 12 in there. And then they have these nail gems. Really cute. Different nail gems. It's by Mila Studio. These ones right here. Pretty. You can also use these with crafts too. They have the 100-piece artificial. And they restocked some more of these B-colors. That one's cute. This one's got the flowers. And this one has flowers. Then they have more of these jeweled ones. They just stocked some. This one's got cherries. And then they have some brush on glue. I also have this brush on glue as well. This one's new. Same brand, Ione. Then they have this cute little file. They also have these Gurnanda. These ones actually have 100 in there, and they're different because they're interdental picks. They usually have this one, which is those flossers right there. But yeah, they have these ones that have 100 in them. And then these, I just use these. These are really great. I really love these so far. And then they have the 4-pack. But honestly, you can get 100 of these and just put those wherever you want them. And they have this one, but this one only has 40. So it's better to get the 100. I don't think I've seen this sensitive white gum. Sensitivity in gum. And this is in the mint. And then they have an alpine mint. Interesting. And then they have peppermint. And this is compared to Tom's Maine? Never tried that one. Fresh breath whitens teeth, fights plaque. So those are new. Never seen them. They're new to me anyways. But they always have good toothbrushes. Lots of packs of toothbrushes. And then they came back with this, which is the oral care kit. You get the whole tooth set there. They have this, which is Pro Foot Pain Relief Patches, designed for feet and heels, temporary relief from foot and heel sprains and bruises. You get 6 patches in there. That's cool. Grab one of those. Ooh, this is a nice find. Vitamin C Sundown, $1.25, gluten-free daily. You get 100 tablets in here. That's amazing. So yeah, if you take vitamin C, I would get this. They have these new cosmetic bags. They say face on them. Got the cute little thing on there. They're pretty colors. This one says glam. And then that one says skin. I think those are the only 3 that I see here. Yeah. Over in the crafters section, they have these big, huge paper clips, and they're wood, so you could like paint them and do all kinds of crafts with them. They have these llamas, these cute little jewelry boxes. They also have this new crafter square paint. I don't know, it looks new. I haven't seen it there before. I usually see this one, but not this one. And then they have some ink pads out, some chalk writer, and basically all their craft stuff over here. They do have this section where they have these little new bow jewelry boxes. They're cute. Pink and purple and white. And then they have these little wood circle things that you can paint. And they have these crystal looking jars that are cute. And then these tulip looking jewelry boxes as well. Then they still have a few of these left. These are really pretty. Looks like they have some new storage tubs that have these cute little patterns on them. Those are pretty. These big ones, the small ones, these ones right there. Then they have these. They have these trays. They have these cute little journals. They got 32 pages in them. Yeah, they're by Jot. They got these cute little strawberries and flowers. Looks like you get 3 journals in there for $1.25. Then they have this one, Spread Kindness Everywhere. Well, then they have this gummy bear one. How cute. And then they have this mushroom one. That one's really cute. These are all cute. Then they have these notebooks with like a duo color. It's Jot. It doesn't say how many pages there are. It's lined. Then they have this one. It's blue. They have this one that's purple. And then they have this one that's green. Then they have these religious ones. The Joy of the Lord is my strength. This is Jot. You get 60 sheets in here. This is what it looks like. Then they have this one, the strength, the love of the Lord never ceases. It's got flowers on it, very cute. Then they have this one with all the flowers. And then they have this one, let us rejoice and be glad. I like that saying, that verse. Then they have this one. Looks like it's it's crown jewels. I love crown jewels. This one's very, very pretty. And then they have this one. Doesn't tell you how many sheets there are. I can't look inside of it. And then they have this lemon one. Oh, squeeze a day. That looks beautiful. Very beautiful. And then they have this one. Just says journal. It's got the leaf prints on it. Very cute. I'm going to put these back and I'll be right back. Then I found some more notebooks, Escaping the Ordinary. This one doesn't say how many pages there are. It's lined. And they have this one, write it down. This one says notes. It's kind of like a brown color. This one says journal on it. They have more notebooks down here, but I'm not going to go through them all. They have this one. And these ones, I think I've gone through these ones before, but they restocked them. They have these ones right here. Looks like they're stocking over here in Stationery a lot. Probably getting ready for back to school, which is summertime, but you know, Dollar Tree, they have these Crayola draw and write boards. Wipe, clean, and board and draw and play. They have them in different colors there. And they have these pens, which I love these. I have these ones too, I think. And I might even have those. They have these stretchable standard book covers. And it's by Kitrick. 4-way stretchable fabric, fits up to 8 by 10 or larger. Looks like they have some different colors here. Then they have these calligraphy pens. I don't like these. I didn't get it to work, but I don't know. These ones have strawberries on them. These ones have a little print on them. Those ones have daisies on them. They're cute. They always have nice prints on them. There should be one more design. Maybe they only did 3 designs. Then they just stocked this whole zebra set. This one's a name brand one, and I love these pencils. They got mechanical pencils in different colors. And then they have retractable felt tip. Wonder if that's a pen. And they have them in different ones there. I had to show you this notebook. It says make every day sweet. Isn't that one so cute? You get 50 sheets in here. And then you get this front page, of course. Then it's just plain. Okay, so they have some guided journals, some new ones. This one says books are magic. And yeah, this is a guided journal. I'll show you what this one looks like. This one looks cool. So basically this one you read your books and you review it. So that's really cool that they did that one this time. Then they have this one, a journal to help you grow. And that's what this one looks like. I love the guided journals. And then they have this one, start today with a grateful heart. They look about the same. They all say about the same little thing. This one has doodles and stuff. This one says Going Places Travel Journal. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. Packing list, itinerary, destination, budget. Okay, that one's pretty cool.